Oh, there's no doubt that the quality of cricket over the last few years especially has increased all the time, and there's a number of world-class sides, and on any day any team can win, and we certainly weren't surprised at how close the tri-series was. England and India are two world-class teams who we've played a lot and understand that they're very good, so World Cups, every team starts on 0 points, and on any day anything can happen, so we're very aware of what that looks like, and we know that we need to play extremely well to win each game that we play. So it's a great challenge. I think it's only a good thing for the women's game worldwide that there are a number of teams who can compete and who could win this World Cup, so it's going to be really exciting.
I guess before the World Cup, tri-series was one of the important things where you can express yourself and learn new things, and we have seen really good quality tournament, and now our team is looking very positive, very good, and we have learned a lot of things as a team, and we are trying to improve areas where we want to improve, and we are really looking forward to do well.
Yeah, I think every time we go out there, we always say that play ball, play fearless. That's the brand of cricket that we definitely want to play when you look back on how we performed in India. So yeah, that's what we try to instill in players.
I played cricket in the first group of my country when I was 21 years old, when I studied in university. And the first time Cricket Association of Thailand, they introduced me to play. And I don't know about the cricket, and I practiced only 2 weeks, 2 months, sorry, 2 months, and went to competition, and we lost all the match. We don't know about the game, the rule, but I think the cricket has something interesting, and I want to know. The girl want to learn about the cricket, and after that we try hard, we practice, and we had competition, a lot of competition. And our goal is here. And I think about 12 years we complete the competition.
Yes, under 19 World Cup visited my Bangladesh country. This and inspired me now World Cup girls. I'm good playing.
Yeah, for the World Cup.
Yeah, it's just something special. As everybody knows, Nelson Mandela said that sport can unite a nation, and that's pretty much what us as African sport people try and do, is trying to unite the nation. And if we do something special like that, like Sia and the Springboks did, that it's a dream come true. And yeah, so I think that's what makes it special for us.
Yeah, it's just we are missing big moments in the World Cups. So yeah, we are looking forward to it, that we need to create chances for us, and just live in the moment and don't think of a big stage and just enjoy, and need to create big moments for us to get into the next stage.
Yeah, I guess my role, captaincy is a huge honour, but at the end of the day I'm a player like the other teammates on the pitch, so I've got to keep doing my job, whether it's with the bat or the ball, even in the field. So for me it is about making sure I do that role.
Very calm and relaxed. Is that what the New Zealand players would say about your style of captaincy as well?
Well, I hope so, otherwise they might get
one. There we go.
No, look, I think it's certainly something. I mean, I've been around a while now. I'm probably one of the old farts, so I've sort of seen...
I'll explain that one later.
I guess I've sort of seen a lot and been involved in a lot of different situations, and I know cricket can be a really fickle game, and that you've got to ride the highs and lows of it, and if you can stay nice and calm throughout it, I think it makes it even more special.
I wouldn't say the scars. I think we learned a hell of a lot. We had a really tough summer. We didn't play anywhere near our best, and Australia completely outplayed us. And it gave us a chance actually to really sit down as a team and work out what we're about as a side and how we want to take things forward. And I think that Ashes series gave us a chance to do that and reassess exactly what we want to do as a team. And I think we've learned loads from it. We've had a really good sort of 6 months since then. We've brought in some young players, we've had a few retirements, and those young players have brought some real freshness and enthusiasm, and going into this competition we're really clear on how I want to play our cricket, and that's as a result of the Ashes. So I think ultimately, well, hopefully it'll be a good thing for us that happened, but I guess we'll see this World Cup.
That's really tough. I think England.
Sinurin? Who would you like to play in the final of the World Cup?
I will supporting all the team.
It's not how it works.
But I like to see Australia.
Here we go. Smart, clever. Here we go. Danae?
Yeah, probably Australia because it's at the MCG, just like the World Cup in England.
Yeah.
I think people will rock up.
Bisma?
Yeah, I think Australia is a very strong candidate. Yeah, I think they can make it into the finals.
I'm on the Thailand bandwagon.
There we go. I'd like to commentate that actually. Meg?
I'm going to go with India. I've been to the MCG at a men's game when Australia played India, and I think we were outnumbered in fans. So the Indian fans in Australia are amazing, so they'd certainly create a great atmosphere.
I'll love to play against Australia.
Of course you would. What about the rest of your team? Australia?
Yeah, Australia.
Oh, look, I'm going to mix it up. I think South Africa. I think Smokies again.
Go on, say it. There
Yeah,
we go.
look, I think we've played against them a lot and we've seen them in the WBBL and we know how much of a threat they are. And T20 cricket's a funny old game.
That it is.
Of course, Australia, because we have a target getting 90,000 people in the stadium. If we play against Australia, that can be easily possible.
Okay, the record.
My thinking is Australia is playing final.
There we go.